everyone, here's another curated recipe from Mon Dessert, Tart Citron Light. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, then soak your dates in 50 milliliters of boiling water and leave to soften. Next, grease the tart tins well and place the parchment circles in the bottom. You can use oil to adhere them firmly. Empty the almonds and gluten-free flour into a bowl, then puree the dates by smashing them with the back of a teaspoon, and then add this to the dry powders. Next, add the syrup and 20 milliliters of oil and mix this to form a moist ball with no stray bits. If you find the mixture seems too dry, add a little bit of water. Transfer your mixture into your prepared tins and press it firmly at the sides to create an even tart shell. Bake these in your preheated oven for about 10 minutes. And then in the meantime, you can make a start on your lemon filling by placing coconut milk powder, custard powder and coconut sugar into a saucepan and use your fingertips to get rid of any lumps. Pour in 270 milliliters of water, 100 milliliters of lemon juice and the zest of 1.5 lemons and then whisk to combine. Making sure the custard powder has completely dissolved, bring to a gentle boil and then reduce the heat while stirring constantly for 1 to 2 minutes or until the filling has thickened. Now for the assembly. Pour the mixture into the tart shells. Allow to cool to room temperature for 10 minutes, then place into the freezer for 20 minutes. Or, if you would like the tart to be very cold, you can leave it in the fridge overnight. To remove the tart from the tin, insert a knife all around the edges. The base can be crumbly, so you want to be gentle, but make sure you get all around the sides. Slide the tart out of the tin carefully, and then decorate with a dusting of icing sugar and a few sprigs of fresh lavender. This tart is so gorgeous you would never know that it is completely plant-based, gluten-free, and contains no refined sugars. This summer recipe is both beautiful and delicious, so enjoy.